So now here we will be doing the same thing that we have did in case of circle and in case of parabola, but now in this video we will be doing it in case of ellipse and in case of hyperbola. The thing we are doing is to find the equation, the normal or the principal, or we can say that the general equation, to find the tangent and the normal line to the tangent of ellipse through point x1 and y1. Note in the question they can give the value of x1 and y1, and they may can ask to get the equation of tangent or the equation of normal. So here in this question says that to find the equation of tangent and the normal to the ellipse through point x1 and y1. Here this is the ellipse. This structure is called ellipse, and it is of course a normal, that is a standard form of ellipse. If it is not if it is non-standard, then the structure may be like this. That is, y-axis will form the major axis and x-axis will form minor axis. Here that is opposite. So now ultimately, first of all, I need to find the I should know the equation of ellipse, that is the standard ellipse equation. So x square upon a square is plus y squared upon b square is equal to 1. This is the standard equation of ellipse. The condition provided that a square must be greater than b square, that is a must be greater than b. Now in order to get any of the equation of tangent or of normal, I should know what is the slope formed. So the slope formed can be given by differentiating the given equation. So on differentiating LHS and RHS, now differentiating on doing differentiation, 2x upon a square plus 2y upon b square dot dy by dx is equal to, now differentiation of 1, that is differentiation of constant, is equal to 0, so 0. Therefore dy by dx, directly I am writing it as here this will go in RHS with minus sign 2x upon a square into opposite, that is b square upon 2y, 2 cancel. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y dot b square upon a square. Therefore now I am here, now my agenda is to get the tangent, that is to get the equation of the tangent, and provided the slope, that is this. So y minus y dash is equal to, what is the slope? X upon minus x upon y b square upon a square. This is slope, and x minus x1, because I need to find the value with respect to points x1 and y1, or x dash and y dash. So let it be x1 and y1 only. So here y square, here this is going to multiply with this, therefore y square a square minus y dash y a square is equal to minus x b square, here x square b square minus x square b square plus x x dash b square. Therefore here the variable, if the value of x dash and y dash is in the form of numbers, then the variable will be x, that is here, and y, that is here, but both are there only. So let we move this towards this side. Therefore x square b square minus x x dash b square plus y square a square minus y dash y a square. Note, this is the final result I got. So this is the original equation, but it can be further simplified by doing more simplifications. But ultimately the final equation I got is this only. So I can say that the equation of tangent of the ellipse provided a point is x1 and y1 lying on the side on the any this boundary of ellipse can be given by this formula. So for not for tangent. Now similarly we will be doing for normal. So for normal the value of m changes, that is a square y upon x b square, and the sign of course will be positive because compare this and this only, compare this and this only, we will be getting it directly. Therefore so y minus y dash is equal to a square y upon x b square x minus x dash, multiplying it here. So x b square y minus x b square y dash is equal to a square y x minus a square y x dash. Here I can see anything to get cut? No. Therefore variable is here and the variable is also here. Therefore but here all of their variable exists. So x b square y minus x b square y dash is minus a square y x minus a square y x dash is equal to 0. This is ultimately the equation to find the normal at a given point x dash and y dash in case of ellipse. So for normal. Now the same thing we will be applying to get the equation of the tangent and normal to hyperbola. So this is the hyperbola, the drawing is shown here with the red pen, and I am trying to get the equation of tangent. So first of all I should know what is the equation of standard hyperbola. So for the equation of standard hyperbola, x square upon y upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Note down that for the standard condition there must be minus sign with y. If it is with x, then of course we can say that it is non-standard. Now to get the equation of tangent and normal, the slope should be known. So first of all trying to get slope, so differentiating the given condition, 2x upon a square minus 2y upon b square dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 1, that is differentiation of constant, is equal to 0. Therefore directly doing dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon a square into this will go down to y upon b square, cut. Therefore dy by dx is equal to what will be here, b square upon a square into x upon y provided with sign minus. So now we will be doing one minute. I think here is also negative sign, so here there should be positive sign. So positive sign, not negative sign. Now for the equation of tangent directly doing dy by dx, therefore directly applying the formula of y minus y dash is equal to m x minus x dash. So y minus y dash is equal to m b square upon a square x by y x minus x dash. So directly doing this here, multiplying this here, so a square y square minus a square y dash is equal to b square x square minus b square x dash. So here the variable lies in all the directions. So a square y square minus a square y dash is equal to b square x square minus b square x sorry minus b square x square plus b square x dash is equal to 0. This is the most easiest form that I get to get the equation of hyperbola, of the tangent of hyperbola. We note down, we can further simplify it, but here I am only giving the raw material. So now this is for tangent. Now uh, for normal condition. So for normal, just the slope changes, dy by dx is equal to here a square y upon b square x, provided a condition of sign negative. So y minus y dash is equal to minus a square y upon b square x dot x minus x dash. Therefore multiplying here, so b square x y minus b square x y dash is equal to minus a square y x minus, not minus, plus a square y x dash. Therefore on simplifying it, b square x y minus b square x y dash plus a square y x plus, not more, plus minus a square y x dash is equal to 0. If we keep the value of x dash and y dash given in the equation in the following equations, I will get directly the formula for the slope of tangent, respective tangent, and for respective normal to the tangent. Note down, normal to the tangent means if this is tangent and has xyz equation, then here this is called normal. That is, it makes the line that makes the perpendicular direction, that is, it makes when it makes the right angle with the given line, that is here the given line is tangent, is called the normal. Hope understood by you. Thank you.